The picture package option in the print module allows you to create one document with the same image repeated in all of the cells. This may be something you would use for school portraits or maybe a team photo. And there are some templates over on the left that you can start with, or you can customize the cells yourself. If you only need to make one print, then you'll want to make sure that the Use Selected Photos is set. As I go through each image on the bottom, you can see it switching back and forth, but there's only one page in this entire document. However, if I have a collection of images and I want to make one printed page of each of these images, then you want to choose All Film Strip Photos. Now, instead of just one page of printing, I have 10 pages. And I can use the arrows on the left to scroll through each of the prints inside of that picture package.